Hey everyone, Miss Jamie here. Happy Friday! Woo woo! It's Friday. It was a long week, but I was glad to see you guys most days twice a week. So, today's activities, if you're joining this afternoon's group, you'll do these activities with me. If you're unable to join the group, excuse me, I got the hiccups, you can do them whenever you would like today. And if you guys aren't at group and do your turkey and would like to send me a picture, I would love to see how they turned out. Excuse me. So in your bags of goodies that I sent home, you should have a bag that looks like this, but your turkey will be brown. I ran out of brown foam, so I used a white turkey. And then you should have got some glue. Okay, so we're going to make a turkey first. So we're going to pull out the turkey's body, which yours again is brown. And then you will also have a turkey's beak that looks like a triangle. You have this funny looking red thing. It's like a wattle. You'll have two googly eyes. 1, 2, and then you will have about 11 or 12 feathers. Okay? So we're going to go ahead, and what you need to do is take your turkey body. Hope you guys can see, sorry. And you can flip it either way. I know you probably see some pen on some of it. And then you're going to go ahead, take your glue bottle, and you're going to put a little bit of glue at the bottom of your feather, the long part, not the pointy part. Just add a little bit. And then you can put it however you want. You want to try and make it go all the way around. You want your turkey to have feathers that go all the way around. So we don't want any on the bottom, but you could put them there if you want, because it's your turkey, so anywhere around. And you can see Miss Jamie's that she made earlier isn't perfect, and that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and put them all on. You can put them in whatever order you want with the, colors. However you want. It is your turkey. Oh my goodness. It's Jamie's hiccups. So you see you're putting the glue on. And then when you're putting it down, you want to make sure you flip it over so the glue goes on the turkey body, so it will stick. And you don't need a ton of glue. You just need to make sure when you put it on, you pat it down so it's on there. And alright, so I have all mine on. When you get all yours on, you can move to the next step. Now, they do move a little bit while they're wet, so moms, dads, just be careful with that, but that's okay. So here's my turkey so far. He's moving a little bit. Now I need to put on the turkey eyes or the beak. I'm going to do the beak first, kind of put it in the middle of my face. So my face, you can see it's kind of like a smaller part and then a longer part. My face up here is, the smaller part is the turkey's head. So I'm going to go ahead and put the beak like in the middle there, okay? So I'm going to put that on there, like so. Put glue, flip it over, put it on the middle. And next I got my two googly eyes. They're going to go above the beak, however you want them. And I just need a little bit of there. So you can either, put it on the eye, flip it over, or you could put a little bit on your turkey head and then put the eye on, okay? And lastly, I need this red part, which is called the wattle. That goes, if you were able to join Miss Mel yesterday in morning group, it goes under the chin. So this is kind of going to go under his beak a little bit because that's all part of his face. Okay? So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue from the top to the bottom. I would say the flatter side goes by the nose, by the beak, and put it on like that. And let's see. Voila! We have a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. So there's your turkey. You could hang it up at home, or maybe you want to share it with somebody you love. Grandma, grandpa, give them a turkey. So there's your turkey. All right, next, let me move my stuff out of the way. Next, we have our number 6 we're going to work with. Oh my goodness, excuse me. So you guys should have this paper. You have seen it twice. And then you should have a bag of goodies and a stamper pad. Okay? So I'm not going to use my bag of goodies in the video because unfortunately it's the only bag I have. And I need it for tomorrow's group. But I'm going to use my stamper. So you can do either or two if you want. So this here says we're making groups of 6. So each circle, excuse me, needs to have 6 things in it. So you can use in here, you got buttons and you got sparkles. And you can mix them up or make them the same. Normally we would make them the same. But we kind of ran out of material, so we do the best we can in putting them in there, okay? Actually, you might have 6 of each things in there. So go ahead and check that out, Moms and Dads. Sorry, I'm a little lost on that one. I guess there is 6 of each thing in your bag. Sorry. So you go ahead and like your pipe cleaners, put 6 in here. Your shiny beads, put 6. Your buttons, put 6, and then your foam pieces, you put 6. But for the purpose of today, I'm going to show you without gluing, but you will need your glue. And you'll need probably lots of glue. This one will be a little messy and it'll need to dry, but that's all right. We like messy. So we're just going to pick them up and we're going to go 1. Gotta find more. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then you're going to take your pointer finger, kiddos, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now we're going to move to this circle or this circle, whichever one you want. And I'm going to put my 6 pipe cleaners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now it's probably easier to put the glue down for these ones first and have them set it on the glue. All right, gang, you're going to take your pointer finger, trusty dusty pointer finger, point it to the sky and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now over in one of the other ones, I'm going to put my buttons. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that was 4. 5 and 6. Again, take my trusty dusty pointer finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, I had an extra one. All right, and last is these pretty sparklies. There's orange, purple, silver. So we're going to put them in the last circle. And you might want to put glue spots down first and then have the kiddos set them in. 1, 2, 3. Now if they're stuck on here, you could use that pointer finger to slide them over. 4, 5, and 6. Again, your pointer finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 6, 6, and 6. Now if you don't want to use the glue or get all messy, I did give you guys stamper pads a couple weeks ago, and you can just as easily use your pointer finger and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingerprints in each one. Or if you want to use your markers or your crayons, you could make 6 fingerprints, 6 circles, 6 lines. Just as long as you're making groups of 6 in there. So that's what we're doing for this Friday, making a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. And then math. All right, gang, I'll see you later. Bye.